(2015) 15-plate BMW 320d M Sport X Drive. We have 4 superb 20-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, black kidney grills. We also have M Sport styling kit, which includes front splitter, side skirt extensions and rear boot spoiler. There's a look at another alloy wheel. We also have M Performance decals on the side. We have privacy glass, black window trim, shark fin antenna, and there's a look at another alloy wheel with the M Sport brake calipers popping through. We have single exhaust flush to the rear bumper and rear diffuser, as you can see. And there's a look at that boot spoiler. We also have X Drive badging, 320 badging. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And there's a look at the last alloy wheel. Going to the back, we have full Dakota leather seats with ISO fixed points. And we also have a pull down soft touch leather armrest with 2 nice size cup holders. For extra storage room, the rear seats do fold down. In the back, we have electric windows with integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Going to the front of the car, we have, again, full leather seats, which are very comfortable, with electric window switches, and again, integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car, we have auto lights. And this vehicle has done just over 22,400 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We have multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. We also have auto wipers as well. We have satellite navigation, as well as phone connectivity, media connectivity, and DAB radio. Pop it into reverse, you can see the rear reversing sensors. We also have dual zone clamp control, which works just as you would expect it to. And both front seats are also heated, which again work just as you would expect it to. We have 12-volt connectivity down here with storage. Under here, there's 2 nice size cup holders. We do have different drive modes. So currently we're in Eco Pro. Change it to Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. And we have a soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passenger seat, which also has extended fly support as well as the driver's seat. This vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.